Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today we are going to see Windows 10 hidden tips and tricks. So friend, here I will show you very unique and new thing which is very useful for you guys. So keep watching so you will learn something new. So friend, right now we are going to talk the first hidden features, that is personalize the start menu. So friend, where you can easily customize menu and that will very easy to use it. Okay, so where do you can find the customized menu or personalized menu in Windows 10, right? So what you will do, simply click on this start button, and friend, here you can see these options are available. You can easily you can customize anything. For example, if you want to drag it, so this will customize easily. You can also rename and all things you can do. For example, if you want to change the name, you can easily do that. Okay, so this is the first method to personalize menu in Windows 10. But now we are going to talk about the second thing of customize menu. So what you will do, simply click on this start button again, or you can simply find the settings, right? So what you will do, you can easily search settings. So friend, this option will open here. Okay, so friend, here you can see these options is open now, and here simply find out personalize. And whenever you type here, so you will get the suggestions like this. Or here you can see, friend, this is the personalized thing. Just click on that part and see these are the things and what things you can customize here. Simply click on this start tab. So friend, here you can see these options to you can easily customize your start menu. Here you can see so more tiles on start. For example, I'm going to on this. Okay, and let's see the preview how it will show. So friend, this is the preview, and here we are going to off now. Okay, and again we are going to see the things. Here you can see this gap is right now not showing. When I click here, then friend, you can see this gap is showing over here, right? So this is the different over here. Right now we are going to see this option, show app list in start menu. For example, if I click here this toggle button to off, so this option will gone. Here you can see all the apps and all the list is gone now. Only this tile menu is showing over here, right? So friend, here you can easily customize this part. Okay, I'm going to on again this part and show recent added app. If you installed any new app, then that app will show here in this menu part, right? And here you can see all the things. If you click here this off toggle, so that was gone automatically. Okay, so friend, this is the part you can easily customize your menu as per your requirement. And friend, here you can see this use start full screen. If you click here, and whenever I click on this start button, then my menu is open in full screen. So friend, here you can easily customize your menu very easily. Okay, so this is the option you can do by yourself. Okay, so you can learn something new. So friend, now we are going to see the second most important features, that is search feature. Okay, so friend, here you can see the start button, and here you can see this magnifier glass. Simply click on that part, and whatever you want to search here, so that file and all the things will showing here easily, right? So for example, I'm going to search image. So friend, here you can see this search option is searching 2 or 3 method. This method too you can search in your local computer, and this method will show you searching engine. This is the Microsoft system, that's why it is searching from Bing search engine. And friend, here you can see the setting options, which is default setting option of Windows 10. So this is the new thing. Here you can see all the settings of the image. You can easily check it out. Here I'm simply search image. So image is showing into your system devices, and also you can see image is showing, which is recently I have created all the images. You can see over here, and also you can see this image tags, which is search on search engine. So friend, here you can see this search bar is very advanced for you. You can easily search whatever you want here. Okay, so this is the second option, which is very useful for you guys, so you can use it. And friend, if you like this video, then please click on blue like button, so that will motivate me to make like this video for you guys. Okay, so friend, now we are going to check other hidden features, that is focus assistant, right? So what you will do, simply click on this start button and simply type focus assistant, or you can simply type settings, and these settings will open, and here you can find out system. So here right now we are going to find system. So friend, here you can see this is system, and here you can easily find out the focus part. Okay, so friend, here we are going to check this focus assistant, which is available in left menu. Whenever you click here, then you can easily add the focus assistant that will give you the features to save your time. You can focus on your work very easily. Okay, and you know friend, we are always being interrupted from our work, notification pop up and random intervals to pull our attention away from what we really need to do. So this is very important part. You can easily use this focus assistant that will help you to optimize your work and give you boost to complete your work. So this is very important features, which is personally I like it and I'm using into my system. So friend, this is the third tips I shared with you guys. Now we are going to move fourth thing, use multiple virtual desktop, right? So this is very important topic right now. So friend, right now we are going to see multiple virtual desktop. So friend, what you will do, simply press your window key and then press tab. Okay, so friend, whenever you click here, then you can see this new desktop option. Simply click here, so you can see these are your desktop, virtual desktop, right? You can easily click here, so this type of desktops will create easily over here, right? For example, this is my active window, and here you can see, for example, this program is open now. Okay, this Explorer is open right now. We are going to see what is virtual desktop, right? Simply press your window key and then press tab key. So friend, here you can see this option. I'm going to simply click on desktop 1. So friend, here you can see this program is not showing here. Okay, but whenever I click window key and then tab key, this is my fourth desktop, and here you can see this program is open. So friend, virtual desktop is very good option. You can utilize this thing as a different type of work. For example, if you are doing programming, then you can make a programming desktop for the programmers, and if you are doing designing, then you can use virtual desktop as a designer, which programs you can run over there. So this is very interesting thing I want to share with you guys. I hope you like it. So friend, now we are going to see another option, that is dark mode of Windows 10, right? So how we can find it? Simply click on this start button, or here you can see this settings icon, just click on that part. So settings page will open, and here friend, what you will do, simply find out personalize. Here you can see this personalize option, click on that part, And friend, here you can see this color option which is available on left menu. Just click on that part. So friend, here you can see this window will give you the features to add transparency effect and all the things you can do that. Here I am going to give you some example. Okay, so for example, this is dark mode. Right now you can see this is my dark mode option. Here I'm clicking on this light radio button. So friend, you can see this Windows color is changed now. Okay, and here when I'm click on this dark mode, then you can see friend, all the things is showing as a dark mode, right? And here you can see friend, choose your default app mode. So for example, this is my default app mode is showing light color. If I want to add dark, so you can see this app is showing as a dark mode. So friend, this is very important and very informative tutorial for you guys. And friend, if you like this video, then please click on blue like button and subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, right now we are going to click on this light and light these things. Okay, so friend, now this is my default personalization thing of Windows 10. So friend, now we are going to see other option like security options, which is really very good for you guys. If you are doing that, what you will do, simply here you can click on this settings. Here we are going to again open settings, and here you can see friend, this privacy option. Okay, in privacy option you can toggle these buttons, so that will give you a security part. You can disable or enable cameras, microphones and all the things you can manage very easily here. Here you can see this app permission. If you want to add or remove the permission of apps, then you can easily manage from here. Okay, so this is very important for you guys. You can do that, right? So friend, right now we are going to check the security part of Windows 10. So what I will do, simply click on this update and security, and when I click here, so friend, this things is showing over here, right? So what you will do, simply click on this Windows security, and friend, here you can see these protection areas. You can enable all the things so your Windows will secure. Maybe your security things is showing like this. For example, here you can click on this manage settings, and if you do this toggle off, then you can see this notification is showing your Windows is not secure now. Okay, so what you will do, simply here you can enable all the things. So friend, your Windows will secure and your files and data will secure. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click blue like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, also mention what part or what thing you like and which features you are right now using into your system. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.